Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Faheem, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you that how we buy electric bulb from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that, you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here's what I'm writing here, electric. Here's what electric bulb. After adding electric bulb, you have to search for electric bulb, and you see it basically here's it. So basically I'm searching again. So here's it, basically different sample are came in front of you. So here's it basically. So basically I'm going to open this one. Here's it, I'm going to open this one. So here's it basically. 7 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you. Here's your rechargeable emergency light, anthelmintic, waterproof, dust proof. Here is another sample. You see it in front of you. Here is another one. It has 5 transform modes: highlight, middle light, and low light, fast strobe and slow strobe. Here's another sample. Here is another one, multi-core SMD LED, low power consumption and high brightness LED with a soft light PC lamp shade. Here's another one, energy saving pure white bulb, environmental protection, highlighting persistent bright bulb, not dazzling, exquisite workmanship, lamp body heat dissipation protection LED chip, protect eyes stability, no stroboscopic and long service time. Here's good quality and long service life. So here is another one. So basically, if we talk about the price of this one, then you see at PKR 1117 rupees. If we talk about the original price, and the original price is PKR 5094 rupees, but after 78% off, you can buy it only in PKR 1117 rupees. Price shown before tax shipping fee PKR 571 rupees. 200 watt USB rechargeable LED bulb, company light 5 lighting modes, hanging tent work light, portable emergency bulb for garden outdoor. Here shade 4.5 than 2000 is already sold. So basically, if we talk about here colors, then you see only one color is available, white color with 100 watt emitting. So basically, if we talk about the specifications, then you see luminous flux 2000 lumens and above, oscillation garden shape annular, LED bulb type umbrella bulb, certification non brand name Zeoxy, origin mainland China, item type LED bulbs. So basically, here's delivery. Shipping PKR 571 from China with AliExpress selection. Standard estimated delivery 17 days to Pakistan. So here's service 75-day buyer production. So basically here's 325 reviews is given, out of which 15 is lamp is good, 6 is good product, 5 is product works perfectly, 5 is shines very well. Here's basically. The product arrived well, it works, but the boxes were poorly opened, the spotlights were taken off together and it lacked charging. Here's yet another one. The lamp came very badly packed. It is not damaged, but I am missing the hook. I am adding photos. However, the quality of the lamp is good. Good lighting, same as the image. Good material, highly recommended, practical and easy to carry. This is the third one. I buy it and it's very useful on my terrace. Here's it, very fast shipping for my taste, and what I am going to use it for is perfect. The function are as follow. So here it basically question and answers. Want to more about the product? Ask other who bought it. It is supplier sold by DD Home Store. And here's the item description is given. Camping light USB rechargeable LED. Here's it 20 watt, about 60 mm into 110 mm battery capacity. 400 mm 40 watt, about 70 mm into 12.5 mm battery capacity, 500 mAh. So basically, if you have to buy this one, then you see the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this electric bulb. Thanks for watching this video.